In the Wall Street district of Manhattan, the great height of the buildings makes the streets seem smaller than they actually are on Sundays and holidays, when the streets are deserted, the buildings are even more imposing. They take on the appearance of tall cliffs. Full stop. The good secretary does not always have her head on in readiness to leave the office at 5 o'clock. Full stop. There are times when important correspondence must be answered and she should show her loyalty to her employer and help him by not leaving the office until the replies are in the most. Full stop. She should hold herself in readiness for these occasions. Full stop. In the average office, they do not occur often. Full stop. Gentlemen, we wish to acquire several pieces of land in Hamilton near the property we now hold for the purpose of housing the whole of our assembling work in a new plant which we propose to erect. Perhaps you will tell us promptly if you hear of any land to be offered for sale, and thus give us an opportunity to investigate. Full stop. We are anxious to begin work on our new plant this autumn. Full stop. If we do not purchase the land within the next 2 months, there is every likelihood that we shall have to postpone operations until the spring. Full stop. Any information you may obtain for us will be a very great help. Full stop. Very truly yours, para, dear sir, when you hung up your head and began to answer the pile of correspondence awaiting you on your desk, have you ever thought of what happens when your mail is received by the person to whom it is addressed? Remember that the first impression your correspondence receives is from the notepaper he holds in this figure. Full stop. Most businessmen believe in the value of appearances, and pay great attention to most things which place their firm high in the estimate of their correspondence, but it is surprising how many quite overlook the opportunity paper offers of expressing the standing of their firm. Full stop. We hope you will exercise care with this particular detail. Full stop. Perhaps you will permit us to quite for quantity lots on your distinctive bond according to your requirements. Full stop. Very truly yours, and close.